So I just got this very heavy box in the mail and I'm gonna open it with you guys because I think I know what it is. This book that I've been working on for so long. Advanced reader copies. So much paper. Here's my book. Here it is. A crisis is a terrible thing to waste. The art of transforming the tragic into magic. You know what's so interesting is that this book contains all of my most embarrassing, awful stories that, because of the writing journey and because of the work I do on dreams and the alchemy work, they've all kind of turned into stories that now empower me. If we can shine enough light on our muddiest moments, we can transform them into mountaintop moments. So I'm so happy to share this sacred moment with you. Thank you so much. Check it out on Amazon. Get your own copy.